Hey guys, welcome back to Rinky's Plate. It's me again. Yes, and today on my table I'm going to bring to you sweet and sour chicken. Yes, I'm going to bring sweet and sour chicken, and I'm going to top it up with a baked potato, and all these is my ingredients, and with my asparagus. Looking very good. Okay? So come with me over the sink. I'm going to wash my chicken. I'm going to wash it with some vinegar. Yes. And also some lemon juice. Okay. All right, I'm going to add my season to my chicken. I have here a half teaspoon of chicken season with pimento, half teaspoon of Mr. Dash, half teaspoon of garlic powder, and half teaspoon of onion powder. Good. And here I have some salt. Just a pinch of salt. I don't want it too salt. And I have my garlic, my ginger here. I'm going to add my ginger when I'm through with that. My garlic over here, and everything is here, okay? All right. Okay. Over to my pot on the stove. Ready? So I'm going to put my chicken in my pot. Just a little pinch of oil. Okay, into my oil. Also a little ginger. Add a little tip more of my chicken seasoning to the pot. Okay. My sauce to my pot. Okay. Woo. I'm gonna pour my chicken in the pot. Okay, I'm gonna put a little more water. And let it cook for some more time. Give it around 5-10 minutes. Okay. Enough, I'm just gonna tip some salt for my asparagus. Go. Good. I'm just gonna give it a 3 minutes cook. Okay, then sour chicken is simmer down. My potato, I'm going to bake it to go with my meal. That is finished. I'm just going to put a little bit of butter on it. Good. Nice. Okay, this is my finishing product. Ozzy?
Yes, wifey?
I want you to come and taste this.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Looking nice. Mmm. Tastes delicious. Mmm. So delicious. You do yourself, my friend. Last week you get a salmon and it was so delicious. This week, sweet and sour, delicious also. People, this is so nice. I want to share, like and subscribe to this video. It's so